Here are the 5 biggest XRP updates you need to know today, and number 5 could bring serious volatility to the market this week. Number 1, XRP is fighting to stay above the $1 level. XRP has recently been trading around $1.01 after several days of pressure. That makes $1 one of the most important psychological levels on the chart right now. A sustained break below it could put the 90 cents to 95 cents area back into focus. Number 2, while retail sentiment remains weak, large XRP holders are reportedly accumulating. Whales added more than 380 million XRP over the past week, according to recent on-chain reporting. That creates an interesting divergence. Price weak. Sentiment weak. Whale balances rising. Number 3, XRP ETF inflows are still positive, but they slowed sharply last week. US spot XRP ETFs recorded around $1.01 million in weekly net inflows, far below the stronger numbers we saw earlier. That doesn't mean institutions are leaving, but it does mean ETF momentum has cooled. Number 4, while XRP's price struggles, institutional tokenization on the XRP ledger keeps moving forward. Aviva Investors recently launched a tokenized share class of its US dollar liquidity fund on XRPL, with regulatory approval from the Central Bank of Ireland. That's real institutional financial infrastructure being deployed on the ledger. Number 5, today's US CPI came in exactly in line with expectations. Headline inflation rose 3.4% year-over-year, matching the 3.4% forecast. On a monthly basis, CPI increased 0.1%, while core CPI, excluding food and energy, rose 2.5% over the past year. So there was no major upside inflation surprise today. Now the market turns its attention to what this means for the Fed, interest rates, and risk assets like crypto. And one bonus update: the Clarity Act is delayed, not dead. The Senate is scheduled to return in September, and the cloture motion on H.R. 3633 is set to ripen on September 15 at 2:15 p.m. That's a procedural vote, not final passage, but it keeps the bill moving. So today's XRP picture is mixed. Price is fighting $1. Whales are accumulating. ETF demand has slowed. XRPL infrastructure keeps expanding. And CPI came in right in line with expectations. Now all eyes turn to the market's reaction and the Fed. That's your XRP update for today. Follow at XRP Update for more XRP, Ripple, and crypto insights.